Socializing 13. In a narration found in Sahih Bukhari, number 5534, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, described the difference between a good and bad companion. The good companion is like a person who sells perfume. Their companion will either obtain some perfume or at least be affected positively by the pleasant smell. Whereas a bad companion is like a blacksmith. If their companion does not burn their clothes, they will certainly be affected negatively by the smoke. Muslims must understand that the people they accompany will have an effect on them, whether this affect is positive or negative, obvious or subtle. It is not possible to accompany someone and not be affected by them. A narration found in Sunan Abu Dawood, number 4833, confirms that a person is on their companion's religion. Meaning, a person adopts the characteristics of their companion. It is therefore important for Muslims to always accompany the righteous, as they will undoubtedly affect them in a positive way, meaning they will inspire them to obey Allah, the Exalted, by fulfilling His commands, refraining from His prohibitions, and by facing destiny with patience according to the traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him. Whereas, bad companions will either inspire one to disobey Allah, the Exalted, or they will encourage a Muslim to concentrate on the material world over practically preparing for the hereafter. Meaning, they will hinder them from using the blessings they have been granted in ways pleasing to Allah, the Exalted. This attitude will become a great regret for them in both worlds, even if the things they strive for are lawful but beyond their needs, as using the blessings one has been granted in vain or sinful ways is the root of forgetting Allah, the Exalted. Chapter 20 Taha, verse 124.
And whoever turns away from my remembrance, indeed he will have a depressed, i.e. difficult life, and we will gather, i.e. raise him on the day of resurrection blind.
Finally, as a person will end up with those they love in the hereafter, according to the narration found in Sahih Bukhari, number 3688, a Muslim must practically show their love for the righteous by accompanying them in this world and adopting their lifestyle and behavior. But if they accompany bad or heedless people, then it proves and indicates their love for them and their ultimate company in the hereafter. This has been indicated in a narration found in Sunan Abu Dawood, number 4031. Chapter 43 Az-Zukhruf, verse 67.
Close friends that day will be enemies to each other, except for the righteous.